You are welcome to our online math class. We are asked to solve this variation related question. Now, if y varies directly as the cube of x and y equals to 125 when x equals to 5. So we are asked to solve these following questions. Now, to solve this, let's interpret the first statement there. If y varies directly as the cube of x, y varies, that is the sign of variation. Y varies directly as the cube of x. Cube means x raised to power 3. Y varies directly as the cube of x. Now, let's go further by changing this variation sign, this proportion sign to equals to. So when we change this to equals to, we'll introduce a constant k, then x raised to power 3. Then now let's proceed with the question. Y equals to 125 when x equals to 5. So we are going to replace or represent y with 125 and x with 5. So that will be 125 equals to k times 5 raised to power 3. So that means it is 125 equals to 5 raised to power 3 is same thing as 5 times 5, which is 25. Then 25 times 5, which is 125. 125k. So we have to divide both sides by the coefficient of k, which is 125. 125. 125. This will cancel this, remain 1 here, cancel. So that means k equals to 1. Now go back and replace k as 1 in this equation we are having here. So that will be y equals to 1x raised to power 3, or simply put, y equals to x raised to power 3. So this is the connecting formula that we are going to use in solving these questions. Now, we are asked to find y when x is 5. So that means y equals to 1 times x raised to power 3, which is 5 raised to power 3. 5 raised to power 3. That is y equals to 1 times 5 raised to power 3 is 5 times 5, which is 25. 25 times 5, which is 125. 125. Therefore, y equals to 1 times 125 is 125. Now, let's solve for x. Find the second question. We have to solve this. Find x in the second question. So still using the same connecting formula, which is y equals to x raised to power 3. So that will be y in this case, in this second question, is 729. 729 equals to x raised to power 3. Now, to remove this x raised to power 3, we need to cube root both sides. We need to find the cube root of both sides. Cube root both sides. 729, which is equals to cube root of x raised to power 3. So this will cancel this. So we're having x equals to cube root of 729. Now, the cube root of 729, cube root of a number is a number that can be multiplied 3 times to give us this. So that means, what is the number that we can multiply 3 times that will give us 729? And that is 9. 9 times 9 is 81, and 81 times 9 will give us 729. Therefore, x equals to 9, and that's our final answer. Thanks for watching. Bye.